Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Porsche 718 Boxster 2-litre turbo convertible, as you can see, on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can of course see it's a two-door car. We're going to start off inside the rear of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have the twin tailpipes and a decent amount of boot space given the nature of the vehicle, of course. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of it, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside, as I mentioned. Now that we've done a full circle, though, you can see the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and the total miles of the car. They are 46,617. We have the rev counter in the middle, and over on the right-hand side, the fuel gauge for the car. Also in the middle, you can see what gear the vehicle is in. We're in park at the moment. And then at the bottom of that section, a digital readout for the speedometer as well. If we back out to the steering wheel next, on the left-hand side, we have the minus, and then on the right-hand side, plus paddles, so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. You can also change the driving mode of the car from here, and we have cruise control underneath the steering wheel. Over into the center next, we've got the main touch screen. So from on here, you can access any of the menus available to you. Directly below that, we have physical buttons that will take you into certain menus. So for example, you can go to your satellite navigation menu from here. Media, where you'll be able to listen to your own music. Tuner, where of course you'll be able to listen to music via the radio with DAB, AM and FM all available to you. Source will give you the full lowdown in terms of the different ways in which you can listen to your music. Map will give you, as it just says, the satellite navigation map up on there. We can get various different bits of car information up on there as well, and we can get back to the home screen from here also. We have the main volume for the stereo. We then have your climate control, so you can adjust, if I move the gear lever out of the way, the temperature from here, and you can see it adjusting on the bottom. You can adjust the fan speed from low to high as well. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. You can also recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set just here. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. And then beneath that, hazard warning lights, deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. You can adjust your suspension, your traction control from here as well. We have the roof controls, which I'm going to come back to in a moment. You can change the volume of the exhaust to make it louder or quieter again. And you can also turn off the stop and start. This car is designed that it can cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. As I say, the roof controls are what I will show you working next. So we will lift up the button for opening the roof, and you'll see, or hear possibly, but the windows went down first of all, just so that the roof can release, and it is as quick as that. So very, very fast, as you can see. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork. So we have the V5 registration document showing it's a two-owner car from new. In the envelope here is the spare key for the vehicle, so 2 keys in total. We have 2 service books with this car. So the first service book has the first service in it in 2019. And then on the second service book, we have 21, 22 and 2023 as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.